Put the X sign on animal and say the structure. Esta or an.
Is a tiger.
It's a.
It's a tiger.
Okay, very nice. Octave, it's your turn.
It's a pig.
Okay. Mark.
No,
Mark your space.
no.
Put an X sign.
Okay.
Come on. It's a. What is it? Mark.
It's a cow.
Koala. Koala.
Koala.
Oh, good job. Octave.
It's a cat.
Nice word. Come on, Mark. Mark your space. Okay, what is it?
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Nice. Okay. Octave, it's your turn.
It's a dog.
Okay, say the structure. What is it? What is it? It's
a duck. Duck.
It's a duck. Very nice.
It's a fox.
It's a fox. Okay, finish the game, Mark. It's
an elephant.
Elephant. Wow, we have 2 winners. What is a baby duck called? Mark.
What?
What is a baby duck called?
Duckling.
Okay, let's say it's called duckling.
It's called duckling.
Okay, now where does the duck live?
The duck lives near
In a
pond or lake.
lake. Nice. Or lake. Very good. Now let's see. Do you remember Octave?
Yes.
What is a baby horse called?
It's a cat.
Horse. Horse.
It's called baby horse.
Foal. It's called foal. Where does the horse live? Where does the horse live?
In stable.
Okay, let's say the horse.
The horse
lives
in the stable.
In a stable. Very nice. Now let's see. So this is the stable. Let's talk about the pig. Do you remember, Mark, what is a baby pig called?
piglet.
It's called
It's called
piglet.
piglet.
Okay. Now, where does the pig live? The pig lives
The pig lives in
in
a sty.
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 The pig lives in a sty. Very good. Now, Octave, what is the baby sheep called?
Baby sheep.
Yes.
A
It's
baby sheep is
It is
called
called
a lamb.
Nice sentence. Very good. And where does the sheep live?
The sheep live in a sheep pen.
In a sheep pen. Okay. Let's practice a little bit. Go ahead, look at the picture and listen to the audio, okay? Listen.
Listening 49. Listen and point. What is it?
Number 1.
Let's have a shadow show.
Yes!
Yes.
Look, what is it?
It's
a sheep.
sheep.
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep.
Yes, it's a sheep. Look, what is it?
Oh, it's a horse.
It's a horse.
No, it's a horse.
It's a horse.
Horse.
Nice.
Oh, aha! Look, what is it?
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Okay.
Yes, it's a rabbit. And it's me.
Okay. Now, thank you for listening. Now, let me ask you something. What is it? What is it, Octave?
It's a sheep.
Good. Mark, what is it?
It's a horse.
Good.
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Mark, it's your turn. What is it? Find the match. Find the pair. Okay. Please, Mark, say, what is it?
It's a horse.
And Octave?
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep. Go ahead and draw a line. Very good job. Thank you.
G says G.
G says
G.
G. G. Girl.
G.
Girl.
Girl.
G. Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Nice, nice. Very good. Now let's listen.
Listening 51. Listen and chant.
G, gull.
Girl.
G, gorilla.
Gorilla.
G,
G. Girl.
a gull and a gorilla.
Okay. Now let's see. Octav,
What?
what can you see in the first picture?
I can see. I can see a girl.
Oh, nice girl. What is the girl doing?
The girl is hungry,
Eating
eating
a,
a banana.
a banana. Very good job, Octav. Mark, what can you see in the second picture?
I can see sun.
In the second picture, picture number 2.
Okay, gorilla.
I can see, make a
I can-
sentence.
I can see second
A
gorilla.
gorilla. What is the gorilla doing?
The gorilla
Is
is
eating
eating banana.
a banana. The gorilla is eating a banana.
The gorilla is eating a banana.
Good, nice. Now, let's see more words with H and I.
H,
H
Says.
says
Hat.
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 Very nice.
Hippo.
Hippo. Nice. I
I,
says
I.
I
I.
E.
I,
I.
E.
I.
E.
insect.
Insect.
I.
E.
I,
E.
I,
E.
igloo.
Igloo. Nice, boys.
Listening 53. Listen and chant.
Hat.
Hat.
Hippo.
Hippo.
A hat on a
A hippo.
Hippo.
I,
I.
insect.
Igloo.
Insect.
I,
Igloo.
Igloo.
I,
Igloo.
insect
In
an
the
igloo.
Igloo.
Very good. Now let's talk. Mark, where is the hat? Where is the hat?
The hat is on the hippo.
Okay, Octav. Very nice, Mark. Where is the insect?
Insect is in igloo. Insect
The
is
insect
the insect is
is
in a igloo.
in an igloo. Very good job. Okay, let's see.
I,
Mark.
igloo.
1.
Mhm.
G,
1.
gorilla.
One.
That one.
Hat.
Two.
G. Girl.
What number?
1.
Hippo.
Hippo. 1.
Yeah, very good. Nice, you got 5 goals. You scored 5. Nice. Now, Octav, it's your turn.
Insect.
1.
Igloo.
2. Good.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. 1.
Hat.
1.
Girl.
1.
Good job. This was an easy game. So we are learning the long A sound. Look, long A. Okay. Spelled A-I. A-I. A-I says A. Okay? A. It's a long A sound. Now, what do you think? Do we have the long A sound somewhere?
Yes.
Now, circle the picture for me. Which one? Which word does... Okay, what is it?
It's a train.
Train. Let's say train.
Train.
Train. Good job. Mark, it's your turn. Please circle a word that has the long A sound. Paint. Let's say paint. Paint. Mark, let's say paint.
Train.
Let's write fat. Does it have the long A sound? Fat.
No.
No, so we need to put a cross here. No, it doesn't have the long A sound. Now, what about this one, Mark? Here, this. What's this? This, look. Mark and Octave, you can answer too. This, what is it? What is it? What's this?
What?
Mark?
I don't know.
Tail. Tail.
Tail.
Tail. Tail.
Tail.
Now, what is picture number 2? Mark, what is picture number 2?
Hat.
Does it have the long A sound?
No.
No, it doesn't. It has a short A sound. Good.
C-A-T.
Yeah, very good. C-A-T. What about this one? Octave.
I don't know.
That's cupcake.
Cup.
Cupcake.
Cup.
Does it have the...
No.
No, it doesn't. Very good job, boys. Here we have some words. Look, boys, do you see the words? Look,
Yeah.
here we have the words with the long A sound, and here we have some pictures. Now let me see if you can guess. Mark, what is this? The first picture. Choose the word. What's this, Octave?
Not Nile.
Snail.
Nail.
Now type here. Mark, please type snail. Here, snail.
Okay.
Type it here so that you learn. Mark, type the word snail. It's your turn. This is your
Boat.
word. It's a boat. What kind of boat? Sail.
Sail.
Sailboat. Very good. Now let's type sail here. Wonderful. Mark, what's this? Paint. Very good job. Now, Octave, it's your turn. What's this? Chain. Please type chain. Okay, good job. Mark, this is your word. What is it? Oh, pain.
Pain.
Pain. Please type pain. Very good job. Octave. Oh, sorry. Octave. What's this?
Rain.
Rain. Very good. This is rain. Rain. Please type rain. Perfect. Train.
Train.
Okay. Please type train, Mark. Train. Very good job. Nice work. Let's say train.
Train.
And Octave, the last one. What is it?
Rain.
Rain. Rain. Okay, now let's say the words. Let's repeat.
Paint.
Chain.
Chain. Pine.
Pain.
Pain.
Rain.
Rain.